Papa say I want a local food and thing. So the place. Orange Street, 131 Orange Street. Yes, I do it. Nature and authentic vibes. Oh, yes, I can come my grade. Blessings, blessings. Blessing, high society, cool now. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yeah. See how go on? What? Alright. Eh? Alright, cool now, man. Ah. That's it there. More true. Our words are power, you know. You have to know where I use it. I read that, man. A fax. A fax. Nice place. Eh? Yeah, we can tell them because I never catch it on it.
Yeah, alright. So, not too blessed, not sin, you see me?
Yeah.
Say blessings, I mean, be less of yourself, you see me? Say bless you, be less of
Be
you.
less, yeah.
No, you don't want that. You want to be
more.
Be more of you, you see me?
Alright, that's it there. Alright, yes sir. Real wisdom, you know? Yeah man, cool now man. Heart of love man, you know? Oh yeah, full joy the meals. Great. Can't complain. See it there? Where you hear the boss tell you, you know. Yes man. Me say people who don't know what just reach we. We lost and find ourselves in an area where we're not supposed to be. And when I say area, I mean community. And every Jamaican know what I mean when I say that. We there after Paul say, him know we a keep on and tell me say him know we, me I ask him which part this, where, you sure? Man keep on and say yeah, till him don't know where him a go and start follow taxi, say him a follow taxi when the taxi living at the area. Me say, you want see we a follow behind a taxi man? When me look, the taxi man just turn off on a road. And when me take a stock, a beer people buck up in a, so we could have buck up in other things. You see what me I say? Yeah, and me I tell you say, the road I get smaller and even the road have to turn off and look like it a turn one way. Me I tell you say, me no know what this. Me I wonder what we are do here so. You get what me I say? Yo, I don't know coward thing I don't like that thing about. You don't know as a Jamaican, we don't play them games eh. We not play in a Russian roulette to the life. You get what me I say? Yeah, so always make sure say we know where are the cars at the end of the day. If you don't know a community and a family or come from there, you don't know where go on a certain place, you know. So when you drive, go down the unexpected now. Who knows? You hear what me I say? Behave yourself no man. People, I truly don't know, but me catch it, but me not catch the full thing because most of the time the camera down, so you catch some of it, you know, you get what I say? But, we don't check out what I go on and see what I go on there. Yes, how we?
Okay, back on Pension Road.
Yeah, sure.
I put a taxi man I ran with the turn still.
John, turn back. I'm not know you so where I go right now. I'm sorry, you might go different place, man, Paul. You need to turn back. Where you carry go, Paul? No, sir, turn back. You ever go?
No. Benji, let's get back out on Pension Road.
Which way?
If you go straight. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Go. Just follow the taxi them. My friend, had the taxi them will follow and reach right here, so me not follow no more of the taxi them. Me I tell you. You can't turn it, sir? Go forward, go forward,
Huh?
go forward.
Can't turn.
Go forward, go forward. Oh.
Eh?
You must have a reverse your back. But let out the man here first. Go down and let him out. Go down and let him out.
In my turn. In my turn.
Yeah, yeah. Look, I don't hear the taxi man leave.
Remember, turn up.
Yeah. Watch your lady, watch your lady.
Bend up.
Watch your bike.
Yeah.
Put in everything. I forgot reverse. Hold on, I forgot reverse. My reverse. Let's go back in on the road and make him reverse. Let's go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Go right back and make him, yeah.
Let me tell you, the wrong way.
Yeah, man.
Wrong way.
Give thanks, bless.
Bless him.
Yeah. Alright, thanks, yeah? Take care. Alright. Straight down. Alright? Alright, mommy, give thanks. Say, go share something there. So, yes, my general, cool, man. You must say, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Yes, so me and Paul there, right, you know. Paul last week. Hearted park here, look at some place. Paul, let's go say, we will just come out. Go so. We will just come out back. Yeah, but I go to see our police station here, so.
Straight down if you go, you know,
Yeah.
you turn or something. You know me miss up some.
Yeah, so we nearly get lost. Go down way down from one small road a while ago and the people them help you out and tell us so we have to turn back, assist we turn into everything and tell you we share about.
Yeah, man, that's
We actually now but I go that way, we have to stay up on the main. Yeah man, we have to stay on the main right now. Yeah, so we're on the main back, yeah. But me I wonder why you turn, me I say you must know you so.
No man, you know, I'm not sure about trip me. I want to share with you.
How go on?
No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. When we reach them, you know. I'm sure.
Oh, so one corner you miss?
Yeah.
You mistake it for?
Yeah. You see the road right up there, so?
Yeah.
Let me turn there, so. As we come out, you can turn left. If you go around a pin and way.
Okay.
So, I guess so trick me.
Jaja. Come here and say, but hold on, no, sir. This road that looks strange, man. I want to go here, so. How we reach here, so? Yeah. But we make it.
Yeah, so me at all.
The road there, oh.
Yeah, so me to come.
Yeah, I know the road there too.
Yeah, so me to come.
Yeah. Bring you up on Spanish Street,
Yeah,
something
man.
there, yeah.
Go through place here.
Walter Maxfield, one of them places.
No, man. Some like Tibali Guard, but you know, it ain't opposite Tibali Guard. We can't go over this again.
Oh.
We can't go over this man. On the guard. We can't go over this again, man. I'm going to turn left down here.
Turn left here, so. Yeah, so? Oh, you come like in a show, sir, Paul. I must say that one day.
That one day, man.
That one day, yeah. This guy got one community, this.
That one day, man.
Yeah.
This, man. This me people.
Yeah, you say, try a long time to come on them road there.
Yeah, man. Last, man.
Yeah, I say it's it, man. So, you other one, yeah?
Yeah, man. That one,
Okay. That's why I make sure.
I usually work at ARC. But I remind center, yes, I'm a regular who come across road.
Okay.
Around 2011, me left ARC, you know.
Okay.
Drive for the road. So, you just come back to me, you know.
Yeah, I catch it back. I'm big JPS plant, yeah. Yeah, so. And I wish community this Irish, How are this? Denham Town this?
No, not Denham Town.
People, me say, I plan how him a go last year again, you know. Because him not plan for which way him for go, you know. I plan for last week. People, watch this. The man a go try last week again, you know. Him a go try last week again. So, me don't know what go on in idea, yeah. John.
Remember.
I go left? Okay. Now where you saw? I know where you saw, man. I can't remember where you saw. Oh, you can't take around the
belly hurts you, foot hurts you, chest hurts you.
Sure, which part where I go, Paul?
You know me, man. Tap it out.
But the last year I get it, though. But the last year I get it.
Yo!
Paul, where you go? 14 Street. Paul, we are drive through your Paul. No, man, turn back, yes, Paul. Turn back, yes, Paul. Where you care we go? You last year, Rasta. Come man, I don't know where. Look where Paul care we go. I don't even know where. So which part you so lead we go? Paul, what people we can't take no question.
Where school there? Right. Where building there?
Which school?
Building there.
Which school? Paul, you find about the main road, Paul. Because what we are do down them side here? I don't know what you say, no? Go up on the main road, Paul. Because, Paul, nobody go round this, Paul, man. Go up on the main, Paul. Where you go round this, go. You know round this, so? You know round here, so? Watch the police. Go on. Not even.
You can't go through there, so still no.
Where?
Through there, so.
Paul, you know where you go, Paul? You know remember a route good, man. We have to ask somebody. We ask somebody.
Place, brethren.
Where you want go? Spanish Town Road?
Spanish Town Road, brother.
So now you know say do any park you go?
Yeah, Mom. This is a car back on Spanish Town Road.
Spanish Town Road where you look for? Eh? No.
And go for him.
Eh?
And go straight down.
And go straight down?
Yeah.
It's a church and you have to turn, come down from the road and go straight down to the bottom. You have to pass the scheme house. Gem road.
Hey, people, watch him face. You see him a look? Like him a say, yo, me the right man, yeah man. Me never tell you say a road there so,
I carry out to Spanish and from Maxfield Road, out to
Yeah,
Spanish Town Road.
Alright, thanks, yeah? Yeah, take care.
Look on the right route, you know, man.
Hear him no? But the right way we did a go after him nearly last you how much time. But put that joke aside, still we have a good time on the road still, you know? And a beer joke we are run and a laugh off of each other and a talk about what happen and all of them things there. And in fact, the road, when I tell him to turn back, I will turn back at the scheme there so. Yeah, the road there was actually up on the right part. But still, we don't need to go up on the road there because it leads you down to Trenchtown on the main road where most people travel and carry go to Spanish Town Road. But you're the way up in a Trenchtown, you have to travel down on the road there, then make a left, then make a right, and then travel the road, follow the road there and go straight to Spanish Town Road. So, I still never want to go there, so even though I usually pass through Trenchtown whole heap of time still, but at the main road that I stay upon. You understand what I say? Jaja God. But it was a great day still, you know? Yeah, man. That's something for you look back and remember and can laugh about, you know? So, if you full enjoy the video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe because we have some more mission for you. So stay tuned. Alright, thanks, yeah? Yeah, take care.
Look on the right route, you know, man.
Yeah, so back on the journey again. Paula try last week again. So let me see what gonna be the outcome. Now we have to go straight down on the road, yeah. Right, go straight down on this road and then turn left. Ooh. She put two of them boss.
Back wheel catch you, man.
I say go straight down and then go left. And then you go to the 4-way. There you go. Where? We never remember, Lord of mercy. Where are we? You ask?
Ask him.
Good there. You can tell where we find Spanish Town Road?
Spanish Town Road. Continue, take the
Left.
here. You see the gully bridge, go straight down.
Alright.
Go straight across it?
No, don't go straight across gully, ready? You take the...
Right. Alright, thanks. Say go left, because it's a roundabout this. So I go left. Oh, that Trenchtown, school this, college.
Alright, go round us up.
Yeah, go so, yeah. Yeah, go so and then go across one bridge and turn left. Oh, we reach here so. Which way bridge you do? It's a turn right. I'm not even hold the camera good. I'm now fool.
Cross. See
Yeah.
bridge, huh?
Oh, which part is with now? I'm gonna go right, them say right.
Yeah.
Go right. Alright. How is this? I Trenchtown this. Trenchtown winner, so the road get bad. Yeah, Trenchtown this. Yeah, Trenchtown Road this, we know what the road is. Yeah, Trenchtown with there.
If you go back past
Trenchtown Road.
Yeah, man, Trenchtown.
Yeah, we know which part I'm there.
Trenchtown, man. It's like this, man.
Yeah, say keen on them. The dream team, you know. Yeah, me I watch him channel from the first video where him post up.
See police station.
Oh, yeah, police station that over there, so.
Spanish Road, the way up this way.
Oh, me usually come buy food, yeah, so. Right, yeah, so. Right, yeah, so me usually come buy food, yeah, so. And sometime over here, so too, over that one, yeah, over that side there. Usually come buy food. Over that shop there. Oh, just a key of them come from, or originate from. Me don't know what them are pre, but a which part. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. We a step up in a life, them not like that. Them say them are clean, but I like that. We a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a heater. After me, try so hard them.
You know this up, so brother.
Some pretty places.
Yeah, I tell some guys they come from Ark and drive, come across what, and just some drive come.
Oh.
So I know I miss up, so. See, Spanish Town Road, man.
Yeah, we find Spanish Town Road, we find back a road that we know, you know. Well, we know that road is still, but watch your child. Paul still last anyway you take it.
You know, so me see.
Go on, go on.
Watch your beef.
What you buy?
Watch your beef.
Yes. Why? Yeah, your daughter know of last people. Are you she get it from? Yeah. She don't run for last year more while in a year direction and last year. Already when you birth them I come in. Yeah, the day when you birth I come. From overseas.
Oh, yeah, some Michelle.
Oh. Yeah. Me say last week we take different way, but I say because I really enjoy the road there, because a long time now I don't travel that road there, you know. So like it for a good reason. Yes, but it was a good day, it was a good vibes. Don't it? Talk true. Eh? Joshua, then one nice vibe, man. Sometimes things can't go straight all the while, and sometimes have to go there look obstacle to make life more entertaining, because everything go the same way every day. Hold on there. It's like that. If you get to me, I say, I don't say things to go bad and people get hurt or nothing like that, you know, but sometimes in some cases things can change up, man, to bring a local difference to life, you know? Yeah. The whole vibes was nice today, no lie. Yes. Full joy the day. Yeah. Can go home and go relax and go take a 5. Cause I late me got my bed. You know, so and then me get up back early. So right you know I need some sleep in my life, you know. Nah lie. And Paul I gotta take on the road. And Paul not too sleep.
Yeah, man. I sleep last night, bro. I don't sleep.
No, that's true, man.